If you're here, you're probably looking how to download Windows 10F directly from Microsoft. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Whether you're setting up a new PC or reinstalling Windows, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. A reliable internet connection. At least 8 GB of free space on a USB drive if you plan to create a bootable installer. Alright, with these in place, let's move on to the download. First, open your web browser and type to search Download Windows 10. Go to the official Microsoft website. To download Windows 10, we'll use the Media Creation tool, which makes it super easy. Click on Download Tool now. This will start downloading a small executable file. Once the download is finished, open the file to launch the Media Creation tool. Here, click on Accept option. Now, the tool will give you a couple of options. You can either upgrade this PC now, which will directly install Windows 10 on your current system, or create installation media for another PC. We're going to create installation media, which is ideal if you want a fresh install or if you're installing Windows on a different machine. Click Next. Here, you can choose the language, edition, and architecture. For most people, the default options will work, but make sure to select 64-bit unless you have a specific reason to use 32-bit. Next, you'll be asked to choose the media type. Select USB flash drive if you're using one. Then, choose your USB drive from the list and click Next. The tool will now download Windows 10 and create the bootable USB drive. This might take some time, so be patient. Once the process is complete, your USB drive is ready to go. You can now use it to install Windows 10 on any compatible PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and prepared to install Windows 10 directly from Microsoft. I hope this guide was helpful. If you ran into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new content.